Are you tired of feeling bloated and uncomfortable after every meal? Do you struggle with frequent UTIs and vaginal health issues? Say goodbye to those problems with Doctor's Recipes Women's Probiotic. Our daily probiotic contains 50 billion CFUs from 16 clinically proven strains, supporting both digestive and immune health. But that's not all. Our specially selected lactobacillus strains may also help boost a healthier vaginal flora and urinary tract. Enforced with organic cranberry extract, this carefully formulated blend also helps maintain vaginal health and relieve UTIs. And with delayed release delivery, our probiotics reach your intestinal tract alive for optimized potency. Plus, our advanced strength formula is loaded with the highest grade and AMP, naturally sourced ingredients, making it 100% pure, natural, vegan-friendly and AMP, NON, GMO with no soy, gluten or dairy. Don't suffer any longer. Choose Doctor's Recipes Women's Probiotic for optimal health and wellness.